Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to install Java on Windows. So let's get started. First open your favorite browser and in the search bar type Oracle, Java and press enter. In the search results you have to click on this official website. In this official web page click on this download Java. Then you will be redirected to this downloads page. In here you can see the latest version of Java, JDK 26. In here you have to choose your operating system, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. So here I am going with the Windows version and here I am choosing x64 installer. You can choose this MSI installer also. If you are going with the MSI installer, simply click on this link. Since I am going with the x64 installer, I am clicking on this link. Once you click on the link, the download process will start. Now you can see download is happening. In here I am going to close this because I have already downloaded it, and also I am going to close this browser also. So here is the file I have already downloaded. Once your download is finished, simply double click on it. Then you will see this installation wizard. Click on next. Then here they are asking for the installation directory. If you are okay with this, simply click on next. If you want to change this, you can change it with this change button. Since I am okay with this installation directory, I simply click on next. Now the installation process is happening. Our Java installation is successful. Let's close this. And in the CMD, let's try to see Java version. In here type Java version and press enter. So here it is. The Java installation is successful.